Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to share an inspiring story about a girl named Aya who used her love for music to learn English. I'll also share some effective methods she used and recommend some great songs to help you improve your English skills. Let's get started.
Aya was a girl who loved music more than anything else in the world. She lived in a bustling city and spent her free time listening to her favorite English songs, even though she didn't understand the lyrics at first. One day, Aya was at a local cafe that hosted an open mic night. She decided to sing one of her favorite English songs. Nervously, she got on stage and began to sing. While she sang with passion, her pronunciation was off, and she mispronounced many words. After her performance, a group of people in the audience laughed and made fun of her. One person even said, "Stick to singing in your own language if you can't speak English properly." Aya felt embarrassed and hurt. Instead of letting the incident crush her spirit, Aya used it as motivation. She was determined to prove them wrong and learn English. She started by listening to her favorite songs more carefully, writing down the lyrics, and looking up the meanings and pronunciations of every word. She practiced singing along until her pronunciation improved. Aya also began to write her own songs in English, using the new words and phrases she learned. Day by day, her confidence grew, and her English got better. Months later, Aya returned to the same cafe. This time, she sang another English song flawlessly. The same people who had laughed at her before were now amazed by her improvement. Aya's dedication had paid off, and she earned their respect. Aya's journey didn't end there. She continued to learn and grow, turning her love for music into a powerful tool for mastering English. Her story shows that determination and hard work can turn an embarrassing moment into a stepping stone for success. The moral of the story is, don't let criticism discourage you. Use it as fuel to drive your determination and achieve your goals. Remember that every challenge is an opportunity to grow, and every setback can be a setup for a comeback. With passion and perseverance, you can overcome obstacles and turn your dreams into reality.
As Aya's journey shows, music can be a powerful tool for learning English. Here are some ways you can use music to improve your English skills. 1. Listen to English songs attentively, focusing on the lyrics. 2. Write down the lyrics and look up the meanings and pronunciations of unfamiliar words. 3. Sing along with the songs, paying attention to correct pronunciation. Use apps if needed. 4. Write your own songs in English, incorporating new vocabulary and phrases. Song recommendations. To help you get started, here are some song recommendations for different levels of English learners. Beginner level. 1. Hello by Adele. Simple and repetitive lyrics. Clear pronunciation. 2. Count on Me by Bruno Mars. Easy to understand words and phrases. Positive and supportive message. 3. Let It Be by the Beatles. Repetitive lyrics. Simple and clear language. Intermediate level. 1. Firework by Katy Perry. Encouraging and uplifting lyrics. Moderate pace, easy to follow. 2. Someone Like You by Adele. Rich vocabulary and emotional storytelling. Good for learning descriptive language. 3. Roar by Katy Perry. Inspirational and clear lyrics. Moderate complexity, suitable for intermediate learners. Advanced level. 1. Hotel California by the Eagles. Complex and descriptive language. Engaging storytelling. 2. Fast Car by Tracy Chapman. Advanced vocabulary and themes. Deep and reflective lyrics. 3. Rolling in the Deep by Adele. Diverse vocabulary. Expressive language and strong emotions. Remember, like Aya, you can turn your passion for music into a powerful way to master English. Every song you sing brings you one step closer to your goal. Keep practicing, stay determined, and never let setbacks hold you back. Your dedication will pay off, and you'll be amazed at your progress. Believe in yourself and enjoy the journey. Oh, and before you go, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to English Ears for more inspiring stories, practical tips, fantasy adventures, and motivation to help you on your English learning journey. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.